You are looking at dark scars on the face of the sun. Each one is large enough to swallow Earth whole. They are cooler yet born inside a nuclear furnace burning at over 10,000 Fahrenheit. They vanish. They return with a violent eruption that could cripple satellites, fry power grids, and black out entire cities. Now, why do these mysterious shadows form? What invisible forces twist the sun from within? And what urgent warning they are sending to Earth right now? Stick around, because once you understand the truth about sunspots, you'll never look at the sun the same way again. The sun isn't what you think it is. Most of us grew up thinking the sun is a gigantic wall of fire. But here's the twist. Fire can't exist in space because fire needs oxygen. And the truth is far more extreme. The sun is actually a gigantic nuclear fusion reactor, fusing hydrogen into helium under unimaginable pressure. This process doesn't just generate heat and light, it creates a monster, an ever-changing, explosive magnetic field. But this magnetic field, it doesn't stay calm. It twists, it wraps, and when it snaps, that's when something dark appears. Beneath the visible surface, the photosphere is a seething ocean of plasma. Hot gases surge upward, cooler gases fall. This constant chaotic motion drags the sun's magnetic field into tangled knots, and sometimes those twisted magnetic lines burst through the surface, and that's when the sunspot is born. Sunspots appear dark not because they are cold, they are still thousands of degrees hot, but because they are about 2000 Fahrenheit cooler than the raging plasma around them. Each spot has a dark core called umbra and a lighter edge known as penumbra, and many form in pairs connected by invisible magnetic bridges, as if the sun is desperately trying to stitch its torn magnetic skin. And sunspots aren't just cosmic freckles, they are pressure valves in the sun's magnetic system, and when the magnetic stress builds too far, it snaps violently. That snap can unleash a solar flare, an intense burst of radiation. Sometimes it's even followed by a coronal mass ejection, a solar tsunami of charged particles. In 1859, one such event, the Carrington event, fried telegraph lines, sparked fires, and lit up the skies worldwide. Imagine something like that today. Satellites disabled, GPS lost, internet offline, entire cities in darkness within hours. And what's the warning sign? A spike in sunspot activity. Sunspots don't just show up randomly, they follow a mysterious pattern known as the 11-year solar cycle. Roughly every 11 years, the sun hits solar maximum, a period when sunspots, flares, and CMAs intensify dramatically. And here's what's truly baffling. Even with all our technology, we still don't fully understand why. Is it deep magnetic rhythms, plasma convection waves? Sun has a heartbeat, and the sunspots are how we see it pulse. Right now, we are heading into the peak of solar cycle 2025, expected in 2025, and already sunspots activity is spiking. Could the next global disruption begin with one of these dark spots? We don't know, but we do know this. The more sunspots we see, the more alert we need to be. So why should you care about sunspots? Because they are not just astronomy trivia, they directly impact your daily life. Satellite signals can fail, radio communication can cut out, power grids can go offline, even long-term climate patterns can shift. Every time you check your phone, use GPS, or connect to the internet, you are relying on system that can be disrupted by sun's magnetic tantrums. Sunspots are not just shadows, they are cosmic warning signs. The sun's way of saying something powerful is about to happen. Now you know sunspots aren't blemishes, they are warnings, they are energy incarnate, they are the pulse of the star on the edge of eruption. And if we ignore them, we risk being caught in the blast. So the next time you look at the sun, remember, its calm face may be hiding a violent secret. But here's the real question. What happens when these sunspots explode? In our next video, we uncover the terrifying science of solar flares, what they are, how powerful they can get, and what would happen if one ever hit Earth head on. Click here to watch what is a solar flare before the next one hits, and I'll meet you in the video.